Z followed the food pyramid. 6 to 11 servings of bread, rice, and grains. Lean meats and low fat. Minimal red meat. Lots of fruit. And guess what? He got fatter, hungrier, and sicker. The base of the pyramid. The base says to eat mostly carbs. Bread. Pasta. Cereal. Rice. But carbs spike insulin, the fat storage hormone. Over time, Z developed belly fat, sugar cravings, brain fog, and still felt tired. Grains didn't give him energy. They stole it. The demonization of fat. The pyramid said, avoid saturated fat. Choose vegetable oils. Eat low-fat everything. So Z did. And his testosterone dropped, skin dried, mood crashed. What nobody told him. Animal fat carries vitamins A, D, E, and K2, vital for your brain, hormones, and immune system. Seed oils? They're highly processed and inflammatory. The truth at the top. At the top of the pyramid was red meat, labeled, use sparingly. Z avoided steak and liver for years. But red meat is the most nutrient-dense food on Earth. Liver alone contains everything Z's body was missing. He flipped the pyramid, put meat, fat, and eggs at the base. Carbs? Rare, optional, not essential. And that's when things changed. The upside-down approach. Once Z ate the opposite. More fat. More protein. 0 grains. No seed oils. No fake food. He lost fat, gained energy, and stopped being constantly hungry. It wasn't a diet. It was a correction. Conclusion. The food pyramid might not just be wrong. It might be completely upside down. Z flipped it, and finally got healthy. Maybe it's time you flip it too.